So 4 letter clusters they are given have been, okay, and out of this are 3 are alike. 3 are alike means, so 3 are like a same manner and 1 is different. 1 is different. That's what they are telling. Okay, so that one we have to find out. So what does this mean? So first of all, they are given the group of characters, right? So let me just write the characters one by one. So you can go for A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, W, X, Y, Z. 26 characters are given, right? So I can write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and afterwards 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, 19, 20, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, O, P, Q, R. Don't worry, O, P, Q, R, because of the very high depression I written something in the wrong way, right? Don't worry about this, okay? Sorry for easy thing. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. And now listen me. A is in 1, B is in position 2. Likewise, you are continuing it, right? So first of all, you take C, A, X, T. So what do you do? From the C, okay, how much you are coming back? 1, 2. Is it right? So if from the C you are coming back 2 levels down, you will get A. And from the A, if you are coming back, okay, so 1, 2, 3, because you can able to go in this way also, you can go way in this way also. That means what? In this way also you can come reverse order. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. So from the A, if you minus 3 means you will get X. Okay, C to A to X. So X to T. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. So from the X, if you are coming back 4 times, you will get T. So automatically, what's the variant? It's going as minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Commonly 2, 3, 4 in this order. Okay. We take next one, N, L, I, D. Okay, N to L, how much you are getting? Look at it here, 1, 2, is it right? So you get minus 2 means L. Then L to I, is it right? I means what? 1, 2, 3. So if you come minus 3 means you will get I. Then I to D, is it right? So I to D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then afterwards 5, is it right? So if you are getting minus 5 only, you are getting D. Once again, just verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th letter. Okay, so just leave it off. Okay, go for H, F, C, Y. Okay, let me just write it here. H, F, C, Y. From H to F, how much you are getting? H is here, is it right? 1, 2. Okay, so if you are getting minus 2 means you will get F. And from F to C, how much you are getting? 1, 2, 3. So minus 3 means you will get C, third position. So then Y. So 1, 2, then here 3, then 4. So if you get 4 means you will get Y, is it right? So HFCY is over. Then after next one is SQNJ, SQNJ. So S to Q, how much you are getting? This is S, is it right? 1, 2. So if you come back 2 means you will get Q. Then from the Q to N, so 1, 2, 3. If you come back 3 means you will get N. Okay. Then from N to J, where is N? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you come back 4 means you get it. So look at this. In CAXT, in HFCY, in SQNJ, if you get look at all the each and every term, means all are coming back as 2, 3, 4 minus. So okay. Here also minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here also minus 2, minus 3, minus. But in this NLID only, you will get minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. This is only one is unlike. This is one is different. And this one, these 3 are same, is it right? Because they have the variation of minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is only having the variation of minus 2, minus 3 and minus 5. So what they are asking, select the letter cluster that is different. Okay, so this one is different. So option is 2. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.